if you're like me, you have on your Scion XB one auto button that goes down only. That's it. It goes automatically down. That doesn't come back up. None of the other knobs do it. And it drives you batty a little bit. What I had done now is I went out and bought one that has 4 autos on it. And the funny thing is this was bought for a Tacoma. I think a 2017 Tacoma, but it fits the 2008 XB Scion. So, in fact, it fits a lot of different Toyota models. It fits the same in that RAV4 right there. It fits the same in my other XB. So, let's get to it. You'll first want to start by removing a Phillips screw from inside the door handle. Now don't lose that little screw right there. Then you use the pry tool, and it should just pop open like that. And then you should be able to remove it. So you press in on the tab and pull out at the same time. And the clip should pop right off. And then you should have this piece. And then you take this screw off. And then these 2 screws back here. And just put on the new piece. So let's go do that. I have now re-screwed back in the new switches. Everything lines up just fine. All you have to do is plug it right in. It drops right in. Just like that. Snap it right back down like that. Make sure you put the screw back in the door handle. There we go. Everything's back installed. Need a couple more turns. There we go. Now everything's in. Now we turn on the car and test it out. All right, they're lit up. Turns red when it windows are locked. Unlock. Lock. Let's check the windows. Oh, look at that! Automatics all the way down. Look, up now. And that's how you get 4-way windows automatic.